Ever noticed how many people watch videos without sound? Your amazing reels can go unnoticed if viewers can't understand your message. The secret? Auto-Captions. They make your content accessible, engaging, and viral ready. Today I'll show you how to add auto-captions to Facebook Reels, step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to PreyoPhonie, where we turn regular creators into algorithm-smart creators. I've tested hundreds of Reels, and I can confidently say, Reels with captions get higher. Watch time, engagement, and retention. Step-by-step method. Step 1. Open Facebook app. Open your Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in. Step 2. Open your profile. Tap the three-dot menu icon, then tap your profile name to open your profile. Step 3. Go to Reels section. Scroll down and tap Reels. Here you'll see all your uploaded or draft Reels. Step 4. Select your Reel. Choose the video you want to add auto captions to. Tap on it. Before we start, if you want more Facebook Reels growth tips, accessibility hacks, and viral content strategies, subscribe to PreyoPhonie and never miss a creator trick. Step 5. Open Options menu. Tap the three-dot menu at the top right corner. You'll see options like Upload text transcript, Upload audio description. Step 6. Upload transcript. If your video is in non-English language, upload a transcript file in the same language. If your video is in English or you want auto-caption without transcript, comment auto-caption below, and I'll make a full tutorial showing how to do it without uploading transcript. For now, let's upload a transcript. Tap Upload Text Transcript. Select your transcript file. Tap Done. Boom. Your reel now has auto-captions. Why auto-captions boost engagement? Auto-captions. Make your video understandable without sound. Increase watch time. Improve retention. Help non-native speakers follow content. Increase shareability and reach. Pro creator tips. Use clear, short sentences in transcript. Match captions timing with speech. Use bold or contrasting color captions if possible. Always add captions to trending reels for max reach. Now you know how to add auto captions. Make your reels accessible. Increase engagement and watch time. Remember, good video content attracts viewers. Auto captions retain them till the end. If this tutorial helped you, like, share, subscribe to PreyoPhonie, because here, we don't just post content, we make viral ready reels. See you in the next powerful tech video.